In this video, we're going to learn how to use the general estimating template to do estimating in our project. There are few basic steps that we're going to take originally that are in preparation for the work. We will go to EIC apps to get our access our Excel file. Using EIC apps allows us to use Microsoft Excel from EIC apps to access the template from the H drive directly. You can see that this startup is a little bit different from the one in previous videos, because in this case I am using Microsoft Explorer instead of Chrome, which is the browser that I was using before. So I am going to just go File, Open, and get my general estimating template from the H drive, looking into the OCS documents. And then under OST, Estimate, here is my general estimating template. So I will open that. And then you will see we have RS means table. This is the table that represents the cost directly from the RS Means book. Now, if we look at our cost reference, right, and we look at the CSI master format number and tiles, we know that these different divisions have numbers, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So each one of these represents a division, and within the division there are subcodes that represent particular items within that division. In the general estimating template, we have a summary that wants to group all the divisions separate, right? So if we enter all the information in one table, it's going to be difficult later on to sort the information in the summary. So what we could do is we can create copies of this blank table for the different divisions that we're working on. So let's create one copy of the RS means table to be used in concrete calculations, for example. What I will do is I will right click on the RSM table tab, right click on it, okay, and then this menu comes up. I am going to select move or copy, all right, and what I would like to do is just to create a copy at the end, okay, and then I click OK. So this is going to create another RSM table. You see now it's called RSM table 2. The original one is called RSM table. This one is called RSM table 2. They are both identical. I am going to rename RSM table 2, and I'm going to call this division 3, okay, and maybe concrete. So that way I remember that division 3 is concrete, and I am going to use this sheet only for my concrete calculations. So then the total that I have on this tab will be the total that I need to reflect on the summary under concrete calculations. That will make easy to differentiate the costs for different divisions. Again, if I want to create another tab to calculate the cost of the masonry, which is division 4, I will go to the RS means table that I know is blank, right click on it, select move or copy. I'm going to create a copy at the end of the file, okay, and then it's going to create this RSM table 2 again. I will go right click on it, rename, and call this division 4 masonry. So now I have a placeholder for each one of the divisions. In the next video, I will show you how to import the information from on-screen takeoff into these tables and how to do cost calculation.